Hello everybody, we're back again. We are DFW Town Guide Live. I'm Joe with DFW Town Guide. Today I've got Pam. Pam has been around, we've known each other for a long time. I got out here and really didn't recognize her. Good looking lady, isn't she? So anyway, we're over here, we're at the Slalom Shop and we have all of their stuff hanging around here and everything. And Pam, can you tell us a little bit about the products, what you have? I know we got the accessories right behind us.
We do.
Anyway, tell us a little bit about Slalom Shop.
We have a wide variety of different models, and our moneymaker is our Cobalts, of course, and then we have the Supras and Moombas for our wakeboards, and we're introducing a new line called the Barletta. And it's a
good looking pontoon.
Yeah, it is.
Great.
It's a bar none in the pontoon industry. And I'd stated this earlier, but I would challenge anyone to put that up against any pontoon, the upper end pontoons out there. And I don't think you're going to find any that's going to beat it, honestly. It has some very unique features, especially for a pontoon. You can get many options on some, and all the luxury editions pretty much come equipped with everything. And the price points begin, in the low 40s and, kind of go up from there.
Depends on how many toys you want to put on
it. It does. But again, the luxury models are pretty equipped, and what's a big seller for them is the universal lounger in the back. It can do a forward lounge, a transom lounge. It can do a complete flat lay down sun deck. So you can be engaged in conversation with the driver, everyone forward. It doesn't matter, and or you can just lay out, make it into a bed, and the sun.
Spend the night on it.
Absolutely. And what's a really cool little feature is they all come with a pet food tray. It pulls out and has a water.
Is that what you were walking around with a while ago?
It was. It was.
She
great.
comes walking around as this tray.
It was great. And then of course we have our Cobalts, and they don't need much advertising. They pretty much sell themselves. We have
Those are nice.
They are beautiful, and the R7s. If you guys are Cobalters, take a look at the R7s because they're something else. I don't even know what you would need other than the bodies. You know what I'm saying? And our Moombas and Supras are, any of you that are wakeboarders, again, they sell themselves. The price points are great. Supras have really upped the quality and their craftsmanship.
We got one right here.
We have them, and then we have our Moombas over here. They are skier choice products, and I will say that they really, in the last 2 years, have turned face in their craftsmanship and quality and products.
The metal flake in
that. Yeah. And lots of options that you can put on them. Outside of that, we have our pro shop that we have obviously a new line of swimwear, and as everyone knows about me, I am a swimwear collector, and so they have some pretty snap swimwear. And they have a really cool thing that we're selling. It's instead of your towels,
right.
They have it's a wearable towel. So it's like a poncho almost, but it's not, and it's a towel with the big fitted arms, and it's like a muumuu, but it's a beach towel. Pretty cool.
I gotta go check that out.
They're pretty cool. And then we have all of our play toys. We have the iPad, almost like. Simon Says, almost, but it's a float on the water, and you get out there, and it plays music, and you play the games on the water.
So guys, when I was out there with all the party boats and we were cruising around, we had those big old mats that y'all used to love. Remember, I got rid of the tubes and went to like that long mat.
Oh yeah,
okay,
the lily pad.
Yeah. So Slalom Shop is where I got that mat at. And all of y'all loved it to death.
Mark Ewing.
And that goes Mark. Mark right there.
Mark
Come here,
Ewing.
Mark.
say hi to Facebook America.
All right. Hey,
All right.
guys, how y'all doing?
This is Mark.
If you ever need anything, bimini tops, canvases, anything for your
Upholstery.
boat, anything, this is your guy. It's Dallas Canvas, Mark Ewing, and you're not going to beat his work
And the
anywhere
prop.
out there.
There you go. Props, whatever you need. We can fix you up.
props.
I walked by at the right time, didn't you?
You did. You did.
Fantastic.
So you want to tell them where you're located at, or how to get it? You got a website?
Okay, we
or-
have, you can go to dallascanvas.com.net. It's pretty much going to pull us up. Check out our ratings. That'd be great. We have 2 locations. One is at Luna Road and Roll Lane in Dallas. The other one's at Valwood 35 in Dallas.
And aren't you doing starting a mobile service now, or
Yes, we do. We have a mobile service for the big boats.
Yep.
So
all of my big boat family out there, he is having a mobile service that can come to you.
we can actually sew on site.
Yep.
So we come
Oh,
out and make,
cool.
Yeah.
we come out and make patterns. We take it back to the shop. We come back, and you always have to adjust it, so we can adjust it right there on site.
So you
your
don't
boat
have to
doesn't-
worry about kind of pulling it out of the slip, getting it, paying all that expense, and he will come to you.
Sounds fantastic.
So Mark, people, he is one of the best, in my opinion, and most of y'all know who I am. You know, we did all the boats and everything, and I don't know who I was the owner of JT's Boat Rentals, and I'm a licensed captain out there. So, and I used to take my stuff to, actually to both these guys here. You know, as far as Tony gets on me for saying guys, folks.
I'm a guy.
I'm supposed to say folks.
Nah.
Well, you're
So-
a good-looking guy.
Well, thanks. I'm not a me-tooer, so leave me out of that.
Oh, so these folks. Let me correct this, Tony. So when my wife,
human beings.
right? So they're the greatest people you know to go to. You can trust them for anything that you ever need. Just go
And
to
we'll give
them.
you a fun experience also.
Now,
There you go.
Don't take that the wrong way, everybody.
And if you tell me you saw us on Facebook here, we'll give you 10% off.
oh, cool!
Yeah.
I like that. Thanks, Mark.
All right,
That-
thanks, guys.
That's we, Dallas Canvas, not we, Slalom Shop.
You don't get
But
10% off that super.
But I can make you a good deal.
There you go.
Yeah, yeah.
All right, guys.
Thank
Thanks
you.
for inviting me.
All
See
right.
y'all later.
Yes.
So-
And also in the sales end of it, if you guys are looking to buy, for the new boats, I would say come find Drew Wilson. He will do you right. And if you're looking for a pre-owned, Chris Coleman is your go-to, and he will hook you up. And just tell him that I sent you, and you'll get an even better deal.
Just say Pam or Joe. Go to Drew.
Yep.
And Drew, he knows these boats backwards and forwards. Anything. He's one of them that took care of me as far as keeping my party boats up
Oh yes.
to where y'all had a good time with stuff breaks. Slalom Shop was always first hand.
Yeah, and if you need service work on your boats, you can Google our reviews, but we're probably one of the best. In my opinion, we are the
Mine too.
best out there in servicing your needs. And again, you can contact me, Pam King, Slalom Shop. We're in Louisville, right in front of Sneaky Pete's, so can't miss us.
So, guys, I want to thank y'all. We're going to go ahead and maybe cruise around the rest of the boat show and see
Maybe
what kind
we'll
of.
get back with you later if we
So
we
when you,
need to bring something else to your attention.
there we go. I'm going to go check. And when you're here, they have got the best pro shop with all the
telling you.
accessories and stuff. Like, you got to go check this stuff out. They got some neat
And as soon
toys.
as you come in the front door, we're on the west entrance, and the front door faces the Renaissance Hotel. So when you come in, we're right there. You'll see the Super Moomba, and then all the way down the strip is our line. The Super Moombas, Cobalts, Barletta, that's us. Come say hi and have a good time. And if you want, ask for me, and I'll get you in free.
Come
How about
see,
that?
come see Pam. You can do that?
That'd be- well, I will do that. Okay. For people that I know. Okay, well, let me say this. If you want to get in free, when you walk in the door, go to the expo side to the right, ask for Becca. Tell Becca that Pam King said that I could come in on her and that you'll get in free. How about that?
There you go, folks. She said it right there. Come on down. The Boat Expo today is from 8 to 10. 10 to 8. I got it backwards. 10 to 8 tonight.
Yep.
Okay, they'll be open tomorrow, and I know the Super Bowl, so it might be a little slow tomorrow. Might be a perfect time. Remember,
Well, they close
guys.
at 4 tomorrow. So
Four?
you know, yeah, 4.
Okay, then
yeah.
it's open next
And
weekend.
then next
too.
weekend, they start Thursday, Friday, and Saturday and Sunday. And Thursday and Friday are free to get in. Saturday, and Sunday, I guess, is still the $12. You know, kids under 5 free. I will be out here next weekend working both Saturday and
Can they
Sunday.
still use your name?
I will still let you use my name, but yes, Becca will be here. But you have to make sure you go to the exhibitor booth, not the customer booth. And that will be as soon as you walk in on the west entrance to the right. Ask Rebecca, tell them that Pam King, that you're in on Pam King, and they will let you in.
That's Pam King, and this is the Slalom Shop.
This is
So
the
guys,
Slalom Shop.
you need to take advantage of that, okay?
Yeah,
And
because, you know, if you have a family, you know, let's say it's, you know, $12 a pop, kids are 6, I think, and, you know, that kind of adds up. So I'll be happy to put it out there for you and let you get in free.
That sounds like a deal right there. Guys, thank y'all. And this is Joe with DFW Town Guides Live.
And this is Pam King with Slalom Shop.
There we go. All right, guys. Thank y'all.
Later.